Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. First of all, let's just ignore the face for the time being. I will be putting foundation on it because it is very patchy and red at the moment. I've just finished filming one video, a makeup video, and now I'm jumping straight back into another one because I feel a guest popping up on my lip, a cold sore. Not impressed, so I'm trying to get through as many makeup videos as I can before I have to put a pause on filming because I've got guests on my lip. It is a recurring one. I've had enough. Is there a way permanently to get rid of cold sore because it keeps coming up and I don't appreciate it. So today's video, I've had a delivery. I ordered this a couple of days ago and it came today. Morphe has collaborated with Coca Cola. Yes, Morphe, the makeup shop, and Coca Cola, the drink. Makeup collection. Coca-Cola have done some makeup in the past, but if I remember right, it's more like K-beauty type makeup, so it's not really mainstream or indie. It's kind of like out there, but no one knows. So this came from what I ordered. They've got lips, they've got brushes, palettes, sponges, highlighters, the lot. But I didn't get the brushes because I have enough. Well, mind you, I'll say I didn't order the brushes because I've had enough, and I ordered like a pack of 4 lipsticks. When hello, right, back into the video. They've got lips. This is a pack of 4. This is Lip in the Moment 4-piece lip collection. They are 4 glosses, which kind of disappoint me. They could have at least done 2 mattes or 2 glosses. No, they could have done 2 mattes and 2 glosses instead of 4 glosses. But hey ho, this was, I don't know the prices, so I'm just going to pop them on the screen as soon as I show you. They have sponges. I wanted to show you the sponges before I do my foundation. That's why I've got no foundation on now. So sponges. It's a pack of 4. The Quench pack. Makes me question, like, have Coca-Cola actually designed these? Because these look exactly like the Morphe sponges that they already have. I mean, like, look. Oh. I'm pretty sure they already own these brushes, so how... Okay, they don't do that one. They're not stuck together. Yeah, so I'll be curious to see, like, what are their thoughts behind this. Like, I don't know. Anyone else, like, on the same boat as me? Same thoughts? So, highlighter. Oh, I only got one of the highlighters. I've got 3, but I don't need 3. I don't even need 1, but here I am. They are loose highlighters, so it's a loose powder. I think this is the first loose highlighter I've ever used. I got mine in the shade Bubbly Babe. And the holy grail of the palette is here. It is called Thirst for Life Artistry Palette. Is it? Yeah. Thirst for Life Artistry Palette. So, get rid of the box. Just show you inside. That is the packaging. I kind of wish it was just like that though. This just like, nah. And this is the inside. I don't know what I think about it. I mean, I love the reds. The glitters look like they're going to be nice. But do I look at that and think Coca-Cola? I don't know. So some of the shades are like Fizz, Bubble Up, Recognised, The Real Thing, Awaken, Name Drop, Happiness, Can Do, Move It, All the Feels, Energetic, and Refreshing. Oh, I missed out a whole line here. Open Up, Stay Cool, Always Bright, Good in Red, Pop Culture, and Add life. Now, do they scream Coca-Cola shades to me? No. The only thing that says Coca-Cola is the packaging. So, I'm going to do my foundation. I'm going to be using the Morphe Fluidity and the what is wrong with me today? Concealer in the Fluidity, the matching concealer. And I shall get straight back to you. So, foundation is done. Please excuse the eyebrows. Still waiting for somewhere to be open just so I can get my eyebrows done, and because I just hate them at the moment. So, eyebrow tool out the way and gone. So, our palette showed you before. I am going to go in with the shade, the real thing, which is this like light beige colour, and I'm going to go all over the lid. So, I'm liking that. Glided on quite nicely. So now I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and I'm going to deepen it up with all the fills, which is this one here. Then I'm going to take Good in Red, which is red, same brush, and then just take it on the lid. Then I am taking a fluffy brush and do a bit of blending out. Oh yes, what do you think about that? I am liking it. So now I want to take this bright red, which is always bright, and then take it onto the inner corners. I kind of wish there was a different type of shade of red to go underneath. I'm kind of stumped onto what colour to go underneath. Oh, I'm stuck now. I just don't know what colours to stick underneath. Because like, if this was a matte, I'd pick that one, but it's a shimmer. Am I gonna have to use a shimmer? You know what? I'm using a shimmer. Let's see what happens. It's quite a nice shimmer actually. That's it. Nope, don't like it. I'm stuck. I mean, like, I don't know. I'll just words. I don't want to put brown underneath it, like any of the browns, because like, what's he gonna do? Nothing. Do I go with this one? Sod it. So I'm going to use this one, which is called Name Drop. Don't like it. You know what? I'm just going to take a red. So I am going to take Always Red, and that's going to look like a total red eye. Wow, this is hard. Right, I'm just going to carry on with name drops, see how well it turns out. Well, it's different. I'm just going to jump to the inner corner. I'm going to take Fizz, which is the first shade. It's quite nice. It's got like a blue, greeny shift to it. So, I am liking that. I am struggling to... I didn't want to do a neutral look. That like these are neutrals, they're neutrals. If you like a neutral look, then buy this palette. I am struggling so much. I got 30% off this. I'm so glad I didn't pay full price. Right. That is the red glitter in the shade Pop Culture. And then this one is Happiness. Oh, I like Happiness actually. Right, I'm going to go in with Happiness. Cannot get the glitter off the skin. I recommend you do your eyes first and then foundation. I, for one, can't do that. So that's why it looks like my eyes are raining glitter. Right, I want to try out this gold. This is the colour Add Life. Because I really need to add life. Right, I'm just going to take a bit of Add Life and go underneath on top of the must colour that I use underneath the eye. Am I crazy or does that actually look good? I am loving the way I'm pulling that down. So I've kind of like drawn it down quite a lot and I'm liking that. Okay, 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 okay. I'm going to take some of the red, which is Pop Culture, and go into the centre of the under eye. I'm going to take a brush this time. I'm kind of trying to mask the glitter that's already on my face, to be honest. Turns out when I done my foundation, when I done the concealer, I forgot to powder. So I was able to get rid of that glitter, so I am happy about that. Then I'm going to take the first shade again, which is Fizz, and then take it underneath the brow bone. I'm going to go in with mascara now. Mascara's done. That palette was hard work. Right. Bronzer. So, eyes are done. Bronzer's done. Now for this highlighter. Wish me luck. What's it even called? Glowing Places. Right. So the highlighting, like the highlighters are called Glowing Places, but this particular one is called Bubbly Babe. Which I feel like I've just lost my bubble. Wow, now I've got highlighter all over me. Great. I don't know how to apply, like, why do I even bother? I can't exactly, I'm not going to even jinx it. So, ooh, hello, that's nice. I like that, but when I picked it out, it looked more ice cold. Okay, that was a bit too much. I think I need some practice on how to apply loose powder, loose highlighter. I am not, yeah. Actually, that was the most easiest thing to apply so far. Um, I'm impressed with that. So, highlighter is done. Now on for the lips. Whoops. Which one? So, you get 4. Have I got names? These are Lip in the Moments. So you have like a brown with a glitter, which is called Tastemaker. Then you've got Coca-Cola Red, which is Classic Babe. This one is like a pale pink, which is called Share. And a clear with a glitter, which is called Overflow. I don't know which one to go for. I reckon it's out of the brown with glitter, which is Tastemaker, or Classic Babe. Shall I just go with Classic Babe just to be a Classic Babe? No, seriously though, am I being too harsh on this palette? So, they smell nice. I'm not too sure, I can't pinpoint the smell. They went on okay. The colour is there, it is vibrant. So, oh look, I'm going to break it down. The sponges, that was okay. I bought the sponges because I needed new sponges anyway. Well, I just wanted a few more. But they have stuck Coca-Cola on it. But Morphe sell these anyway. So I just feel like it's an extra product for the collection, if that makes sense. Let's talk about the palette. Wow. The glitters are good. The red is good. The neutrals that I used was good. I like this look, the way it turned out at the end. It was a bit hit and miss whether I'd like it, but final look. I'm definitely liking Under the Eyes more now. What do you think about it? The glitter is amazing. I love the way the Under the Eyes turned out as well. The lips, the colour's not fading. There's no spider webs. I love the gloss. The highlighter was great to put on. But as I said, I actually need to check to see if they sent me the right one, because I'm pretty sure I ordered a lighter one. But yeah. Going back to the palette though, if you like neutrals, then get this because it's got a pop of colour in there. Some of the shimmers are fantastic, but for me, I would have liked maybe a blue matte or something. But that's just me being fussy. It is a good palette. So, they are my thoughts on the Morphe X Coca Cola range. If you've got this, tell me your thoughts down below. What's your favourite part about the makeup I've done today? Any feedback you want, just pop down below. Please give me a big thumbs up. Hello if you've just subscribed, and please subscribe if you haven't. And I shall see you all in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.